Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to zoom in a TikTok video. So, with this tutorial, you're gonna be able to look closer in an image. And as you can see, I am currently in a slideshow TikTok. A slideshow TikTok is when you create a video and add multiple photos in it. And it's interactive, meaning you can scroll through it, like what I'm doing right now. So, just take your two fingers, put it on the screen, and then spread them apart or put them together. And there you go, it's zooming, and I can zoom out, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Just take two fingers and then zoom in, zoom out. And also, this doesn't work on videos, only slideshows. I'm really sorry, but TikTok doesn't have the update right now, and you can only do it on slideshows. So, it's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any comments, feel free to comment down below.